Children, in today's class, that is class number 6, we will discuss why the specific heat of different substance is different. What is the reason behind this? In today's class, we are going to discuss why the specific heat for each different substance is different. Why not it is the same? 2 classes before we discussed about specific heat of water and specific heat of oil, where we got different specific heat is different for different substance. What is the reason behind this? Okay, in today's class we are going to discuss. Before that, in our previous class, we discussed about what is a specific heat, on what factors does the specific heat depends. Specific heat is amount of heat required to rise the temperature of unit mass of the substance to 1 degree centigrade is called specific heat, and it is represented with the letter capital S, and we have units for the specific heat, that is calorie per degree centigrade, calorie per gram degree centigrade, and SI units is joules per kg Kelvin. So this is briefly about specific heat, and we have a formula for specific heat. Specific heat is equals to Q by M delta T. Specific heat is equals to Q by M delta T. This is the formula to find the specific heat of any substance while supplying heat energy to it, and the object will increase its temperature. Then you will get this. Either it loses its temperature or increases its temperature, you can find out the specific heat of substance. And this specific heat you are not getting for different substance is the same. Why? Why not the specific heat of water and oil is equal? Why not? What is the reason? What is the reason? You know that liquid molecules will have different vibrations between them at different temperatures according to minerals present in that liquid or fatty substances present in their liquid, in a different liquid is different. Suppose if you are choosing water in one village is different taste from water at another village. Why it is? Somewhere the water is salty and somewhere the water is sweet. And why these differences? Because the minerals and NaCl present at that particular area, so the taste is different. Similarly, I will tell few statements. When water is present at ground level, the water molecules, that is H2O, will vibrate different at different places. Because of these vibrations, you all know that structure of water, H2O. I will show you that. H2O, O and H and H. If you observe these things, H2O, here sometimes they will vibrate like this, hydrogen molecules. Sometimes they will oscillate like this. One will go longer and one will oscillate here in shorter distance. And the whole water molecule will move from one place to another place. And the whole water molecules will vibrate will vibrate, sometimes they will rotate. According to their movement, sometimes they will gain energy. They will gain energy. What is energy? Capacity to do work is energy. Here, water molecules contain energy in it. Water molecules contain energy in it. Similarly, oil molecules, some other oils, different oil, castor oil, petrol, diesel, whatever you know, sunflower oil, you know that, no? Almond oil, coconut oil will have different energies in it. The energy in the liquids, inside the liquids, is internal energy, is called internal energy. In previous class, you know about energy, mechanical energy. What is mechanical energy? The sum of kinetic energy and potential energy is called mechanical energy. This is what you know. In this chapter, I will give you one more point, that is internal energy. Internal energy. What is internal energy? The sum of energies: linear kinetic energy, rotational kinetic energy, vibrational energy, potential energy. Once again I will tell. Internal energy is defined as sum of linear kinetic energy, rotational kinetic energy, vibrational energy and potential energy. Sum of all these includes internal energy. Each liquid molecule will have their own internal energy. Each liquid molecule will have its own internal energy. Why? Because some liquids may have linear kinetic energy high in quantity. Some liquids may have rotational kinetic energy. Few liquids contains vibrational energy and few contains potential energy. Here all these fours influence on internal energy. One of these four is great among other. All four energies cannot share equally. Suppose if I am taking linear kinetic energy is great in my liquid, and you are taking other than my liquid, that is a liquid 1 with me and liquid 2 with you. If liquid 2 with you, which contains vibrational energy, is great in it, so definitely the internal energy will change. So each liquid cannot contain same linear, rotational, vibrational, potential energies in it. Suppose if I am taking water with me, water exists. Water molecules, in water molecules, water exists is not, in water molecules, listen, this is one set of molecules present in water, this is another set of molecules present in water, and this is another set of molecules present in water, and this is another set of water molecules. So here you will have, this is a water. Few exhibit linear kinetic energy and few exhibit kinetic energy, rotational kinetic energy, and few exhibit rotational energy, and few exhibit potential energy. So here water molecules are divided into 4 portions. So here linear kinetic energy exhibited by these molecules. Observe here. This is the big in amount. The molecules which execute linear kinetic energy are high in number. the molecules which execute potential energy is low, and the molecules which execute rotational kinetic energy is low in quantity. Observe, in a liquid, if you are consider only one liquid, in that liquid itself, all the molecules will execute different types of energies in it. Sometimes, listen, while they are executing linear kinetic energy for a few seconds, they may change their motion and immediately they can execute potential energy also. So, molecules will change from one place to another place in any liquid while taking heat energy. When you are supplying heat energy to any molecule, set of molecules, initially they may execute linear kinetic energy. Later they can change their momentum, and immediately they can execute rotational kinetic energy also. Law of conservation of energy, one form of energy converted into another form of energy, same molecules. And rotational kinetic energy executive molecules may execute vibrational energy also after a few seconds, and they may change their places from one place to another place, then they execute potential energy also. So here, molecules present in any substance will change their energies according to law of conservation of energy. Few seconds they execute linear kinetic energy, in next few seconds they can change into rotational kinetic energy. Like that they will execute the energies of different names. Suppose, which substance execute more specific heat? One question I ask. Already we got information that material contains molecules execute different kinds of energies. While executing different kinds of energies, they can change their energies like this according to law of conservation of energy. The form of linear kinetic energy can be converted into rotational kinetic energy, and rotational kinetic energy can be converted into vibrational. Like that they can change their form of energies, it never loss. Or few molecules in the liquid execute linear kinetic energy, few execute rotational kinetic energy, and few execute vibrational energy, and few execute potential energy. If number of molecules execute linear kinetic energy is high, like this, here watch, here these atoms and molecules are more and they are executing linear kinetic energy. This type of substance will have more specific heat. If the atoms and molecules are executing linear kinetic energy, then this material will absorb more amount of heat energy to attain or to increase its temperature to 1 degree centigrade. So children, once again I will just explain this. Today we are going to learn about which material execute specific heat. The material which contains internal energy in it will execute specific heat, and this energy is different from different substance. That is why the substance will have different specific heats. Individual substance will have individual specific heats. So here linear kinetic energy, rotational kinetic energy, vibrational kinetic energy, and potential energy. These are 4 forms of energies. The sum of these 4 forms of energies is called internal energy. So each different material will have different linear kinetic energy in it, and different rotational kinetic energy in it, and different vibrational kinetic energy in it, and different potential energy in it. So they won't execute same specific heat. They won't execute same specific heat. All different materials will execute a different specific heat. We all know, in previous class itself we got information that specific heat is different from different substance. This is how we can explain that statement. Okay, then? So I will give you this picture. If it is not clear, please watch till the end. And this is from your textbook, page number 7. So here, I hope you got this. Okay, why is a specific heat different for different substance? I'll give the picture. So go through this, watch this video. First, everyone, after writing notes, post immediately to me. Okay, so watch this video 1 or 2 times to get an idea. Goodbye.